Okay, hello, I'm Chris Bittner, Digital Arts and Media Technical Director here at Colorado College. This quick tutorial is going to show you how to put a limiter on your master track in Adobe Premiere when you're exporting your final media project to make sure that you're limiting the overall volume of your project to minus 12 dB. This is helpful in your film classes. Generally, the instructors will ask you to make sure that you're set at minus 12 dB overall, but also if you're going to submit anything through the documentary project at PBS, they will not air your film if it is not limited to minus 12 dB. If anything goes hotter than that, louder than that, they will kick it back to you to fix that problem, or they will not air it. Okay, so let's get in here. I have a little short film I shot in my driveway of my 1-year-old driving his car and getting busted by the cops. Super loud. Our meters are striking right up around 0, which is well above minus 12. We want to have our overall volume, none of our peaks going past minus 12. That gives broadcasters headroom, because they do a lot of compressing that thing on their own, but anything above 0 is illegal. So if we hit red, which I think we do a couple times in this piece, that's just not even legal to broadcast. So, but we do want to shoot for minus 12. So what we want to do is switch from editing to the audio tab up here at the top, and that will bring up a mixer. You want to make sure you're on the audio track mixer right here, not accidentally on the audio clip mixer, which is for just mixing individual clips. So make sure that you're on the audio track mixer. You should see 4 faders at least, unless you have more tracks. Plus, if you scroll down, you'll see the name of each one, and that there should be a stereo master track, that all of your audio funnels through those final 2 stereo channels when it exports. So what we want to do to limit this to minus 12 is, if this is not already open, you want to click on this little tiny arrow over here, the Show Hide Effects and Sends, and you'll see that that twirls down. And you have a rack here basically where you can stick effects on any channel. Right here, I'm going to click on any of the arrows in the master channel, and I'm going to go to Amplitude and Compression. And right off the bat, if we want to just say, hey, let's just limit it to minus 12 and call it a day, we want to choose this hard limiter. A hard limiter basically is a compressor that does not allow any audio past whatever you set the maximum amplitude or the threshold at. So on maximum amplitude here, if I click on that and type minus 12 and hit enter, this says nothing in my piece can go above minus 12 now. That's just going to be like a concrete ceiling, and if anything hits that, it's just going to stop there and be squashed back down. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to hit play. Now, as you can see, our meters are hitting right up at minus 12, but we're not going beyond that. So we know we're legal for PBS, and we're meeting the standards that are given to us in assignments here at Colorado College Film and Media Studies. So that is how you put a hard limiter on your master track to make sure you're within those standards. This is Chris Bittner, Digital Arts and Media Technical Director.